Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Trini Coleslaw updated. Gather shredded cabbage, carrot, scallion, thyme, vinegar, lime, sugar, mayonnaise, and Scotch bonnet or habanero for heat. Start by mixing dressings separately and taste for balance, then toss with vegetables until evenly coated. Chill for at least 30 minutes to deepen flavor and let the heat settle. I will guide you through tips for shredding, seasoning, and adjusting spice levels. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent flavor and texture, then prepare produce by shredding and slicing thinly. Whisk mayonnaise, lime, vinegar, sugar, mustard, salt, and pepper into a smooth dressing, then finely chop the Scotch bonnet and add a little at a time. Taste as you go to control heat and sweetness. Toss dressing with vegetables until fully coated, then refrigerate to let flavors meld before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes, and consider a quick recommendation about a book I love. On another note, the simple path to wealth can change how you think about money and may free up time to cook more easy meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if it sounds useful. Now let's get back to the video. Use a sharp knife or mandolin to shred cabbage thinly for ideal texture and dressing adhesion. Toasting mustard seeds or a pinch of ground cumin adds depth without overpowering the bright profile. When adding Scotch bonnet, remove seeds for milder heat and reserve some pepper for later adjustment. Always taste the dressing before combining and refrigerate the finished slaw to allow flavors to harmonize and cool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.